Would you like to create on-brand professional graphics for free? Canva is a fantastic tool that can help you to create designs that will stop the scroll. Hi, I'm Catherine, and in this video, I will show you how to create a Canva account, tailored to your tourism business and share it with your team. Canva allows users to create professional-looking designs without expert skills, so you can keep your graphics on brand by adding your brand colors and logo to your designs. To begin, let's create a Canva account. Go to canva.com and click on Sign Up for free. Sign up using one of the options provided. Select the category Small Business. You can add an email for a member of your team so you can collaborate on projects. This means you can work together on the same graphic or video together at the same time. This will help boost productivity and idea generation. First, you can upload your logo to Canva as an image, which is usually in a JPEG or PNG format. If you don't have a logo just yet, don't worry. You can always use Canva's Logo Maker, which allows you to choose from multiple templates and modify them to fit your business. On the left, you will see templates. Canva templates include a Facebook cover, Instagram posts, flyers, and more. These are amazing because they come with predefined sizes to optimize your graphics. Next, you'll see projects, which includes all the graphics you're working on, your uploaded photos, and your finished designs. Now, go ahead and add your colors to your brand kit. You can simply pick the color you need or enter an exact color code, called a hex code if you know it. You can add up to 3 colors for free. Now let's create a design for a hiking and adventure tour company called Wildtrek. To create a Facebook graphic for Wildtrek, you can select a Facebook post square template. Canva will automatically resize your image. This means it fits your potential customer's screen perfectly and it is easy to read. Now add a photo of your hike. Add a rectangle in your brand color as a background for your text. Include text such as Hike of the Week and select a font that you will want to use. If you know the font you need or like, just search for it and pick it to keep it brand consistent. It's better to use the same font for all your designs. Finally, click on or drag your logo to add it to your design. You can invite more team members to collaborate on your graphics by adding their email addresses, so you can all work together and save time on projects. And there you have it. In other videos, we'll cover how to use Canva to create Instagram Reels and other social media posts. I'll see you next time. And don't forget, for more great content, check out the Keep Discovering Toolkit on the Marketing Toolbox.